So this is the magic little piece of plastic that's gonna save my roof. Thank you, little piece of plastic. This is called a rafter vent. And that rafter vent is gonna go up there just like that. Basically what's gonna happen is I'm gonna hold it just past this wall so that I can insulate right here. But there's no need to insulate that soffit. That's not heated, it's just a waste of insulation, and it will cause issues. So this is gonna create kind of a channel for air to flow from the soffit vent through the rafter vent. Up here, I may put another one attached to that so it can keep going this way and go out the ridge vent. As far as the vents on the outside, I like to use these. This is a 4-inch circular vent. I think that's plenty for what I'm doing. They have other types. They have rectangular ones. I just like using these because they're very easy to install. Done. I temporarily put a rafter vent in there and I tuck some insulation in there like I would be doing, just so you can see how this is gonna work before I put that vent in. So you're gonna have your vent just like this, and when you take it down and go in here, you can see the insulation. It's created a sort of pocket. We'll call it a soffit pocket. And then up here, you're gonna have your rafter vent that's gonna give you a nice channel to bring cool air up and push all that warm air out of your attic.